birds that camouflage themselves with mud. In the jungle, certain birds have developed a unique technique to camouflage themselves with mud. One notable example is the Australian plover, also known as the masked lapwing. These birds engage in a fascinating behavior where they collect mud and debris from their surroundings and apply it to their feathers. This technique helps them blend seamlessly into their environment, making it difficult for predators to spot them. By mimicking the muddy textures of their habitat, they enhance their chances of survival. This clever adaptation not only protects them from predators, but also aids in hunting, as they can stealthily approach unsuspecting prey. Such camouflage strategies showcase the remarkable ingenuity of nature.